Hey everybody, hope you're all well. I want to record this quick video to show you something that we've been working on for a while on the Hyperise side of personalized short links, and now the integration of our personalized short links dynamically right inside the Expandi platform. So if you're using Expandi for your LinkedIn outreach, you'll know that we've had personalized images embedded or integrated, should I say, in the Expandi platform for some time. You can see here you get the drop down and you get to choose your images directly from there. But a new exciting addition has just gone live. You can see down here on the right hand side, amongst the other placeholders, there's now a Hyperise placeholder. And when you choose that, you can see here, and you can add these also in connection messages, which is really cool because I'll show you what it looks like in a moment. But essentially, when you choose this placeholder, you can see here I've got one already here, so I'm just going to remove that. And so we've got a blank one there. I'm going to choose Hyperise. And one, I can still select my image that I want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use this GIF here. It's got some personalization of the person's name on the board. I can put in a title including personalization tags. And that title is going to appear underneath the image. I can also do the same for description, and I can put in a URL. So this URL can be absolutely any URL at all. It could be to a calendar link, but if you're pushing someone to your own website, then we'll also be able to personalize that site as well. For example, putting videos and all those sort of things. So once you've created that, let's just also put a description in. You click submit, and you can see it puts in this tag code here, this placeholder in your message. And obviously that can be in any message from your connection message onwards. And let me just jump over to LinkedIn, and you can see here, here's my connection note to Muzam, and you can see here's the link that included the personalized short link. Within your Hyperise account, you can actually control this, so you can see I've got link.hyperise.com. That part you can set to any domain you want that you can control, and you can see then it creates this personalized preview from that link. So we've got the personalized image here, actually creating a bigger space. Obviously, it's the image that I selected, and you can see we've got the personalization in the image, but also the title that we set as part of that as well. And this is obviously clickable. And when I click that, it's going to take me to the landing page that I set. And now in this case, you can see we're putting through personalization into the page that we're sending them to. So it creates a really nice experience, and then gives you the opportunity to then personalize the landing pages, add personalized videos, or do whatever it is that is going to get that call to action taken as part of your funnel. So to get this done, like I say, first of all, within your Hyperise account, if you go to custom domain within settings, you can see here I've got link.hyperise. You can create your own custom link. And then obviously set up your integration as normal as you would do with an Expandi. And once you've got that integration set, then you're going to see this Hyperise link here. And then every time you create a new message, you're going to be able to trigger this and create a new Hyperise short link, which is going to personalize dynamically. Like I say, we've been testing this for some time now, doing it manually with Expandi, and seeing amazing engagement, high click-through rates, and high call to actions taken with these highly engaging images. Obviously creating more of a call to action there, clickable, and then taking them out somewhere else. So now we've got two different options in terms of delivering personalized image engagement with LinkedIn. We've got the embed option, where when we embed the image using the drop down, that's going to give us an opportunity to drive that engagement and keep that engagement within LinkedIn. So more likely to kind of get a response and someone reply to the message. Whereas now with the clickable link, the clickable images and the links that will take them elsewhere, if you want to then kind of remove them from the distractions and get them to take an action, like filling a Calendly form or something like that, then have an actionable link using a short link where you can still have something that's infinitely more clickable than just the text part. That can help with there. So depending on your journey of what you want the users to take, leveraging the personalized short links can be a great way to get them onto that next step of the funnel. Any questions, please do put them in the comments. Love to hear your feedback. Otherwise, look forward to hearing from your sex stories, your success stories from using this. Cheers, bye.